Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete message on WeChat. So very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and open up a chat. The next thing you need to do is to look for a particular chat you want to delete. Click and hold down on the chat, and this is going to pump up. Click on delete. Click on delete now. You can also delete a message you received from a contact. For that, this is the message I received from this particular chat right here. So click on any of the message you want to delete. Once you click on it, click on delete. Click on delete. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.